Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for an Anfield Road expansion update. I'm talking fast because I want to get this done fast. It's very windy today. Surprising enough, I'm not getting any wind warnings on my screen. One just popped up now. Luckily, the Mavic 3 series are quite resilient in the winds, so I don't think this wind, it's very windy, but it's not enough to affect this type of drone. The minis would struggle in this today. The reason why I am here is because some big news out today regarding the stand opening. Let me get a zoom in, see if there's anything I can see from here, because I'm not going to fly too close, just for the safety aspect of it. I'm quite confident in my flying skills and the drone itself, that it'll hold its own. So Liverpool have announced today that they're going to do a partial opening of the Upper Annie Road stand for the Man U game on the 17th of December. See if you can see inside there. I wonder what that is. Is that an exit? It must be an exit, mustn't it? Yeah, so 17th of December, Man U game, partial opening of the stand. That means there's going to be a test event the week commencing the 11th of December. So I'll try and get footage of that. Also, I don't think I'll get in for the Man U game. I don't think I'll get a ticket for it. If anyone's got any tickets going, let me know. But I'm staying right over the park, so if the drone does come down, it's going to land in the park. I'm sticking to my distances today that I'm legally required to do, which I do anyway, but yeah, so it's just a little bit of exciting news for everyone that's been waiting for the stand to open. And the full opening will be on the 31st of January. Yeah, 31st of January. And so if they get people in for the United game, they're going to get people in for... Let's get closer there. For the other games leading up to the Chelsea game on the 31st of January. So it's exciting news. I'm not sure how many test events they need to do. Is it just the one that they need to do, maybe? So between now and the 17th of December, which isn't that far away, what? A month away? 3 weeks away even? So all this down here, all the roads got to be done. It's got to be safe for everyone to walk, because all the turnstiles are here. Unless they just have one part open, then maybe, you know, it'll be alright. This wind's really picking up today. I wasn't going to come up because I knew the wind's going to be bad today. So I'm going to get it back over the park towards me. Safety first and all that. There was a guy in the car park, saw me get my drone out. And he's standing there watching me for ages. So I'm like, is he going to try and do something here? Because he's standing right by my car. So I walked back over, said I needed to get something out of the car, just see what he's doing. I went, "You're alright, mate?" And he went, "Yeah, I just seen you got a drone out." I went, "Yeah." He said, "I just want to see how it handles this wind." Which is fair enough. I think he's open for the calamity. But I won't be flying over the stands, put it that way. Well, let's have a... Yeah, so all this along here has got to be sorted. Walkways, the road, the lot, it's got to be sorted. It's got to be safe for pedestrians to walk on. You know, the fans getting in and out the grounds. So let me know what you think about that, because a lot of you have said in previous videos, and I've totally ignored it, that the stand will be open, that the stand could possibly be open for the Man U game. And I've poo-pooed it because Liverpool have said the 31st of January. And he even said a while ago that they were scrapping the phased opening of the stands. Because if you remember back, it was meant to be the Everton game. They were going to try and have some of it open for. But yeah, the phased opening is back on the schedule. Just wondering what these are up to here. See a bit more. is it? Or some sort of fascia going on there, isn't it? So there's work going on. Like this is... big gust of wind just caught me in the mouth just, as I was about to talk. It took my breath away. I forgot what I was going to say then. Let's have a look at these over here. Yes, sorry, yeah, the time right now is around 3:30. I want to try and get this out as early as possible. I want to try and get this out for around 5 o'clock. So if it was on at 5 o'clock, I've hit my target. If it's later, I apologise. Yeah, so it's going to be a short one so I can record, get home, edit, get it online. I don't even know what they're doing there. I'm keeping the drone still though, as I don't want to move it anymore now because this wind is picking up. It's getting really strong. My nose is running away with me. I haven't been well the last couple of weeks. I've been off uni, well I haven't been into uni. I've been getting my work done still. Just I got that bug and it's stuck with me. Yeah, so can I see inside the windows? Yeah, I'm not going to get low enough to look inside the windows, but I will. People like the nighttime video, so I will be coming back. I'll probably do one a week now of the nighttime video. Have a look inside the concourse, see how it's getting on, because there should be a lot of movement on the concourse now, work-wise. Can't see much inside from here. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, just thought to get this out, get the news out. So, Man U game on the 17th of December, phased opening, so it's going to be partly open for that game, which I'm really looking forward to seeing fans in there. So what I will do, if I don't get in the grounds on the day, I will go to St George's Church where I normally fly from, and I will get some footage of fans on the day in the grounds, okay, from there. I'll just put it up in the air and I'll zoom into the ground from there. Okay. Got any questions? Ask me. But Liverpool have released the statements. The statements, I'll try and leave a link to the statements in the description. That will be the best thing to do. You can read the whole statement then, but it was released in the last hour. So yeah, exciting news for the stand going forward, and we're getting there, guys. Won't be long now. Right, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I do try and get the information as best I can, and as early as I can. Unfortunately, I heard nothing about this. Okay, so I'm in the same as everyone else as it's been released by Liverpool today. So this has been kept hush hush. Yeah, but if I do get the information, I do try and get it out as early as possible. And I always say, make your own judgments on the information that I'm sharing. Okay, but I'll leave it there. Like the channel, please. Yeah, if you like the channel, please subscribe. Likes and comments are always appreciated. I'll reply to all the comments on this one. I reply to all the comments anyway on majority swimming videos. But yeah. Let's have a little scan around. I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.